Welcome to Meet the Number Blocks. Tap the play button to start.
Hello.
1.
One bird. Hello, bird. 1 tree. Hello, tree. One wonderful world and one me. Hello.
1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
1,
2,
1,
2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everything is better with 2. The two of us together, just me and you. Imagine all the crazy things we can do with 2. With 2.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody look at me. I'm here to entertain you with this funky melody. I'll juggle 3 balls in the air and everyone will cheer. Yay! Everything's gonna be alright now. Number 3 is here.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm 4. Have you met me before? I'm
1 more than 3. That's plain to see. 3 plus 1.
equals me. I'm 4.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 members in my band. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five.
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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five. Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This little block is full of tricks. It's got 6 faces, 1 to 6. It's called a die, it's called a dice. Dice or die, both names are nice. What's it for? Let me explain. Want to know more? Let's play a game.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm lucky number 7, I'm in a happy place. The sun is always shining and there's always a smile upon my face. I see a penny and I pick it up, and all day long I have good luck. I'm lucky number 7, and everything is falling into place.
Octoblock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm 8, but you can call me Octoblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He can stand really tall. He can climb
block to block, climb! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, climb!
Hello?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my first row. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my second. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks in my third row. 3 rows of 3, 3 rows combine. As you can see, 3 rows of 3 make 9.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If you're wondering why there's a 1 on top, you'll know the answer when you realise I'm 1 big block, I'm 1 big perfect 10. I'm a 10 block, I'm a 10 block. You might think we're different, think again.
Come on!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And one more is 11. I am 11, and I love football. Wow! Let's play football.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And one more is 11.
Welcome, my friends.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I'm rectangular 12, I'm 10 and 2. I make arrays, that's what I do. When I put my blocks in columns and rows, I make an angle goes like this. 3 by 4. Today's the day for play. I can make arrays all day. I make arrays in many and back, let's play arrays away.
Uh-oh.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
This is me, 10-3, expecting to run out of luck.
Sorry.
It's all jolly japes when I get into scrapes. I'm always coming unstuck. This number you've ever seen. Unlucky number 13. Oh!
Awesome, dude!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I am 14. And I live to skate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Extreme!
Hush, hush!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I am 15, and I am a super special step-shaped secret agent. I'm a number with ambition. I'm on a mission with a talent that you won't believe. Despite my size, I'm a master of disguise, and I've got a little trick up my sleeve.
Welcome!
Welcome to Meet the Number Blocks. Tap the play button to start.